This is DJ Freecity. Just do business. It's exactly what it says or what it sounds like. You know, situations where you're uncomfortable, you have to just keep your cool, maintain your mental strength, and push through those situations. So I've trained myself, or I'm in the process of training myself. Those situations you don't want to be in, those conversations you don't want to have, those things you don't want to do, just finding comfort in all those things and just getting them done. It won't last forever.
That's being comfortable with being uncomfortable.
Yeah.
That's a great term and a great saying that will give a person a lot of energy.
Absolutely. Because if you can keep your calm and stay collected, uncomfortable, while you're comfortable, it's a cinch. You got all that in the bag. But if you can maintain that strong mentality when things are uncomfortable, you can do anything, man.
So man, let's get to because we talked about business and like the fun part. Like, you know, I know one thing I know about and I don't want to get nobody in trouble. You know, and it's not you, it's just people you know, guys and girls in the brand world. It's a lot of people going on tours. You meet a lot of people.
It's a very attractive industry. Like literally people in that industry are paid to look good. So you're literally working with models every day, male and female. Like I got a homie of mine, he's a male model. It's very rare to see a black male model that's working. Like shout out to my boy Wes, man. He out here doing his numbers. But I see it every day. People get paid to be attractive.
Wow. So what are all the because it's you don't have I think a lot of people they're going to, because we say, you might see a person in a Coca-Cola shirt, but they don't necessarily work for Coca-Cola. So it's like you're free.
Yeah.
A lot of people don't know, it's not, and your name DJ Freecity.
Right, and it goes back to what you asked me and what I said a little while ago, freedom. So it all ties in together.
Right, so break down the freedom of being in that work, because DJing, marketing, it all ties in, and all the places in all the country. Break down a tour, give us a date in the tour, in the sense of anything, all the fun, the after parties, Vegas, it's a movie out there.
Yeah, I mean it's literally you know what you see in the movies and music videos. You know, you go work hard and you play harder. You know, especially on the tour, because you have these collection of people who are basically living together. You know, they don't live together. Everybody got their own room, but you're around each other so much. You create bonds and stuff. So, and most of the time you're just working 12-hour days, 10-hour days, sometimes 16-hour days. So you don't have time to do nothing else. So you're just, all that money you're making is just stacking up. So when you do get time to have fun and enjoy yourself, it's just floodgates.
So they pay per diem.
Yeah, you get per diem on most tours. You get per diem. They pay for the hotel. What else? Travel, of course.
So y'all just be stacking money.
Yeah. If you're smart, you know, some people spend money. I don't be spending no money.
Yeah. So so y'all be even at the hotels, y'all become diamond members.
Oh, man, yeah, my status is crazy right now. When I check in, it's crazy. But it can get a little tricky, because you literally have a whole tour full of people with all this status. So now everybody not gonna be able to get all the upgrades and things they want, because it's only so many rooms and everybody is diamond. You got 30 people that are diamond who hey, I want my perks, you know. But it comes along with it. But it's a lot of fun, and you get to go to a lot of these cities. I went to so many states that I have never been to just this past year. Yeah, over the last 12 months. Being on tour, definitely checking a lot of things off my bucket list. It's incredible. You know, you meet a lot of people. You see a lot of cool sights, or just things that you would never think that you would see. It's really, once again, getting you outside your comfort zone and just really exploring the world, letting you know it's so much out here.
So what would you do? What would understanding so if you had to break it all down right now for a person that wants to get into that business and make a lot of money, take me from break it down in like layman's terms, like in a sense of